In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok templates. On TikTok, you can create slideshows of photos from your phone gallery. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok application and there hit on big plus sign to start creating new video. Now here at the bottom hit on templates and there you can select a template. You can just swipe to the left or to the right to find template that you like. Now I got 66 templates at all, and on each template page I got here at the top templates name and the number of photos that I can use at that template. So let me find template that I want to use and then hit on upload photos. Now there I can select some photos from here, like that one. I can upload there just 2 photos and then hit on OK. And now I see the effects of that template. So basically that would be how template works. And now I can continue creating that video as I normally do. I can add there some filters, some text, sounds, stickers. Now I can hit next and there continue creating by editing caption and other different options. That's all about how to use TikTok templates. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.